Hello, welcome to my first ever video. So I was going to repot a couple of plants and I thought I would get this on tape. Super stressful. But essentially what I was going to do is take these two Syngoniums, very cute. I think they're also called arrowhead vines. I got them 2 for $10, so $5 each at the flea market. So they're kind of small, so in 4-inch pots, and what I wanted to do was combine their powers into one bigger pot so that it'll be a little bit bigger, a little bit fuller, and super cute, I hope. So what we're working with, so these were 4-inchers. I'm gonna put them into one 6-inch pot. This is an orchid pot, but essentially when you buy orchid pots, they only come like in 5 packs. So I have 5 orchid pots, so we're just gonna use it. I think it'll be fine. And my sorrel here, apparently what I learned through the community is these are aroid plants. So aroid plants are plants that in the wilderness or jungle live under the tree canopy, and they like well-draining soil, and it usually has a lot of like organic components in it. And so what I did was I did my own mix from different tips from you guys, from the whole community. I've been learning so much, and essentially what's in here is some cocoa husk soil, which was already mixed with some perlite in there. There's some orchid mix in here, horticulture charcoal, like a soil fertilizer. It was like really dark, kind of looks like soil, but it has a lot more nutrients in it, and systemic granules, which I also just learned about. Apparently with systemic granules, you put them in the soil and the plants soak them up in their roots, and when bugs try to eat them, they get the bug stuff in them and it kills them. It's my first time using it, so we'll see how it goes. Soil, I have some water, I have some wine because this is really stressful. It's the afternoon, don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine, I hope. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Essentially, I think first going to put a little bit of soil into my pot and just kind of fill the bottom up a little bit. Okay, just gonna put a little in here. Just to have like a base where the plants will sit up on into the pot. So let's see if that, do a little shake. I think that's good, give or take. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. So I have been really obsessed with Zainab Johnson lately. She is in Upload on Amazon Prime, and she's just fantastic. She's super funny, and I've been Instagram stalking her and watching all her content. And she has 3 plants. It's so cute, and she just did a IGTV of her repotting her 3 plants, and it was unedited. It was like 20 minutes long, and I was just there for all of it. I watched the whole thing through. It was so funny, and just, I don't know, I was just like into it. So kind of inspired me to film this video. And I don't know, it's kind of therapeutic to watch someone gardening. I don't know, so if you're here for it, enjoy. So I'm gonna take these out of their pot. Let's do this. And then take the current dirt off of the roots. So like that, and then just kind of massage it. One thing about getting plants that I hate are bugs. Most bugs I'm okay with, even spiders I'm okay with, but I have a fear of worms. It's really unexplainable. I don't know. I just freaking hate worms. Like a lot. I mean, if I see them, I freak out. I get the heebie-jeebies, and I just cannot. So yeah, I'm just like massaging away. I mean, it wasn't super root bound, but kind of wanted to combine them. That was my point of getting them, so that I can have like this little full arrangement, if you will. But the show that Zainab Johnson, the girl that inspired me, is on is called Upload, and if you haven't already watched it, it's so cute. It's really good. Highly recommend it. And they're like 30-minute episodes, so they're like super easy to get through. And I'm just using like a trash bag here. I'm on my dining room table, and it's getting pretty dirty. Kind of feel bad, but I've already started. Already in this. I kind of want to get these clumps out. I'm not always sure how much to get off of here, to be honest. We just do it. It's a lot of guessing. I think that's good. I got them mostly loosened. Not too big of roots, but pretty good. They look good. So I think what I'm gonna do is do the other one, and then we'll measure it out in there. So then I can save these for something else. Okay. Oh, this one's coming out. Wow, look at these roots. Whoa. I also hope my new mix is a good mix. I honestly, it's the first time I'm using it, so we will see. But I have been taking so many notes from starting my little plant family. And what I've learned is everyone struggles with bugs, overwatering, so it's all a learning process. So that was really refreshing when I joined. Everyone's so nice. Just love it. So, okay. Oh my god, look at this root. It's like way up here. That's so funny. Okay. Two plants, one pot. Oh my god, that's terrible. So, okay, so I think I'm going to kind of like, you can see my hand, do a little bit of that, and then place them where I want them to go, and then fill in the rest. So that. Like right there. Right there. I'm gonna add a handful of dirt. A little bit more, and then kind of smooth that out, and then put the next guy in. Kind of like that. Super cute. And then I'm gonna scoop the rest of it. Handful situate them. So I don't own a shovel, which is sad because I started an Instagram page without having a shovel. I don't know, I feel like you need a shovel. So I'm using a spoon. I guess I should invest in a shovel. Damn. Okay, now we're just gonna fill. Fill. Give it all around in the two that I have in here. Cute. I'm gonna tuck them in. Few higher roots. I'm gonna take some of the old dirt and put it on top. I did not mix enough apparently. Just fill in. All those roots are covered. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This came out really good. Oh, plant balance. Plant balance. Okay, there we are, my potted pot. Now, important decisions have to be made. Clear out all my dirt. Oh my god, look how dirty it is. Clean that up. White table. Ooh. Okay, now the question, how do we style it? So, option one, a cute little basket. Isn't that cute? Does it look funny? I don't know. I feel like the base of this basket is too big for the actual plant. So I don't know. This is option one. Option two, and I got a lot of pots. That's one thing I have a lot of, so. Oh, I like that one. Option two. Or option three. Oh, I like that one. I think I like this one. Oh, it's just so cute. That's it. Thank you for joining. Hopefully you enjoyed it or are inspired to repot plant. I don't know. Thank you for joining me on my plant balance journey.